You're just my type and I like your style.
Did I change any setting? The current version is a demo and a work in progress. Many aspects will subject to change. Features shown in this version may be altered, expanded, or removed in future update. Okay. Should I use controller instead, yeah? Oh, they have no. Okay. What is that? Oi! Sorry, wrong area. Perhaps this is health, yeah? HP. But I don't know because my HP is full. So I'm not sure if it's actually HP or no. Perhaps using control is so much more easier, fluider, something like that. Press right to throw a dagger. do you mean? Do not understand. Oh. Oh, I see. Isn't dagger something else, eh? Or I don't understand English, eh? Dagger. Short knife pointed and edged blade is a weapon. Why not use something that you use? Tool to climb? A sander? No, like those kind of nail that you place onto something. Something like this. Anyhow. How to reach this area? From here then? Oi! Oh? How are you supposed to reach the area? Oh! What does this mean? Hmm. Q for energy burst. Oh, you can interact with this item. Q. Oh. How to get energy? But I didn't press the button for the other one before. Is that okay? Don't know. Wait. Huh? Oh, I'm supposed to go here then? Okay. Ah! Sorry! Okay. Wih! Nah. So I'm actually don't know, but I'm still kind of finding a good position for me. To be honest, my hand is aching and it's been days. It's only like this left hand. Don't really understand if it's just my position because I am sitting straight, but I'm not sure. I want to go to the doctor, but I couldn't because they are not open today. My free healthcare plan only work for tomorrow, so I can only go to the doctor tomorrow, not today. So I have to wait. Hi. But for now, I'm still like finding my position because I believe my position is good. I am sitting straight. My hand is also not like holding anything. As I thought, like plays pretty good, but somehow I just couldn't find the correct position. Don't know why. So I'm kinda positioning and repositioning my hand from time to time. Don't really understand why. Oh, perhaps. Yep. What is this? Hey! Is this the end of the demo, yeah? Sorry. Why are we in the outside? Don't know. Should I continue exploring? There is a chest. How to go to the chest? Oi! Ooh. What is this for? I don't know. Should I do something? Don't know. Ooh. Wow. Is this going to be this long for demo? Huh? Hmm. To be honest, I don't know. Perhaps I'm going to play this one more area, then I'm going to end my gameplay. It's a demo, so I guess that's okay. Ay! Still have no idea what all of this for though. Hmm. Yep. Oh, there's one too down here. Don't see this. Now I want to pee. Unfortunately, if I want to pee, I couldn't like pause my recording. So let's see how long will I actually survive. Oi! Ooh, what is that? Oi. There is a horror game from China, but I forgot the title. It also have this kind of pixel graphic type of thing too. Art, what type of thing? But I forgot the title. Second, let me check my library. The part, yeah. Close. There's something that I also play like a few. I haven't played the game. I played a demo, and then I also purchased the game, but I forgot the title. The Rewinder. They have another game though, a sequel, I guess, from the same franchise. It's called The Rewinder 2. They just released the game this year. The review is mixed though. Anyhow. Hmm? Oh, this is the previous place. Okay. Oh, I'm almost at the position. How to get this thing? Oh. But as this is a demo, is it okay if I only play until this part, eh? It's not a full version. Oh, my stomach is so hungry. I guess that's okay. Gonna save it after this one, eh? Menu. Thank you. Was interesting though, really.